Premiere Pro versus After Effects. Many a times I've been asked this question personally, and I've also seen this debate on the internet. So this video is an attempt to answer this question and tell you 4 reasons why you need Adobe After Effects and why you should definitely learn this software as a videographer. Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar. Let's get this video started. So the first reason why you need Adobe After Effects is to make motion graphics. All the motion graphics that I use in my particular videos are made with After Effects. For example, motion graphics like this. You see, After Effects allows you the versatility and the tools that you need to make motion graphics like these. You can animate any property that you want and get the desired effect that you crave, and you can only do this with Adobe After Effects. The second reason why you need Adobe After Effects is it allows you to work in 3D. When you're working in Adobe Premiere Pro, you're only working in 2 dimensions, but in After Effects, you have the ability to work in 3 dimensions, and that can allow you to make effects like these. As you can see in this video, the title of this particular video is in 3D. I can do n number of things with this particular effect here. I can make my camera go through the text, I can make it float anywhere that I want, drop a shadow, and it gives a more realistic feel when things are in 3D. And this property allows you to do n number of things in After Effects where imagination is your only limit. Now the third reason why I need Adobe After Effects is because this software allows you to make visual effects or VFX. As you can see from this particular video, this is a video that I made for a particular client who has a gaming channel, and this particular intro, this animation has been created with Adobe After Effects. This is not something you can create with Premiere Pro because you will need the advanced tools that After Effects will provide you to make an animation like this. So this is the reason why After Effects is extremely important, because you can make your visual effects or VFX for your movies or for your short videos or for your vlogs, which quite frankly Premiere Pro can't. Now the fourth reason why you need After Effects is this software allows you to use advanced tools like 3D camera tracking, which can help you turn an ordinary image like this and turn it into this. After Effects will also enable you to use 3D camera tracking, 3D motion tracking. As you can see, the hologram on this particular screen has been created with 3D camera and motion tracking. Now this list is not exhaustive. I have listed 4 of my favorite reasons why you should know After Effects and use it as a video creator. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So stay safe, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.